Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy the S&P 500 right here on CMC Markets. And for this, we go right here to the search bar. First of all, deselect or reset everything. And then we search right here for S&P 500. And then you have a lot of S&P 500s that we can buy. But I am interested in this one, the US S&P 500 cash right there. And then what we need to do is quite simple. We click here on the blue one and then we fill in the amount that we want to step in with. So we want to step in with 1K. We can put a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. And then right now, the only thing that we need to do is click here on the amount of money or somewhere. So we will get this blue pop-up. And now we can click on place a market buy order with costs. So now we click on that. And now we created ourselves a position on the S&P 500 right there. And this is how you can buy the S&P 500. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.